So this is Humde, which is situated 3,375 meters above the sea level. Our friends are over there. They are waiting for me. Let's see. Over there. Oh, they're plowing and then planting potatoes, guys. They are ox, not yak.
Can I try? Ask him if I can try.
Let me see. Just a moment. Okay. Okay, yeah. Hello, namaste, दाइहरु. हाम्रो गेस्टले चाहिँ गोरु जोत्न चाहेको छ रे, दिनु है एकचोटी. Okay, go from there. So one of my friend, he's from Canada. You wanna go there? Look at here. And you wanna go also, right? You wanna go?
We do this too.
Yeah, you do, right. Yeah. Good. He's plowing there. You can see. He's really good. And be careful. Burn. Good. So he's plowing here. Don't press. Slow. Don't press it. Don't press. Just hold it. Don't press. Don't press. Yeah. Good, man.
Thank you. Way to go, man.
Good. Good. Another friend is going there. You can see. He's plowing.
Make a straight roll. Slow down. Okay. Thank you. Very much. Okay.
Good, man. Good. He's plowing there. You can see. He's really good. And be careful. Burn. Good. So he's plowing here. Don't press. Slow. Don't press it. Don't press. Just hold it. Don't press. Don't press. Yeah. Good, man.
Thank you. Like,
Wow.
look now.
So now
those cows go nice and straight.
we are
They know where to
heading
go.
to
You hold on
Manal
to
with,
that thing and wow.
with my friends. They are from Canada.
They feel someone
They're
different.
having really good time with me.
They know.
They know someone different.
Yeah.
They go wherever they want then.
Yeah. Just like our cow. If there is a main man who trained them, they always hold that one. But some other cows, they are really well trained. Even the baby one. Even the baby of like 12, 13 can do this, everything. Need more.
As soon as they have a right away up, going up the hill. With you, they want to go through the.
Yeah. They know that we are done here. Manan, 2 hours from here. 2 hours from here. 2 hours here. To the ranch here. And also there. They can go with themselves. Yeah. But if you walk quick, it's just like 1 hour. But if you walk like slow,
Say, don't you walk fast, my friend. They will be sick. They have to walk slow. How are you doing, Bruno bhai?
I'm doing really good.
I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it, man.
Be careful, man.
Yeah,
Watch your head, yeah. It's.
Yeah.
that's it.
What were you saying?
One about you. What about you, my friend?
Excellent.
Excellent,
The guy
right? Oh, great.
doesn't speak English very well, so the girl doesn't understand what he's saying.
Oh.
So he's asking him, "Is this gonna have a break? We're gonna have lunch somewhere ahead?" So the guys think they are missing communication. Yeah. Is this yak or this a cow?
Yeah, ox.
This is yak.
Ox.
Ox.
It's just cow though.
Yeah.
He looks like.
Be careful, sometimes they attack.
Like the African cow, they have got huge stuff here in it.
Oh yes, yeah.
Yeah, they're just cow. Even this one, they're just cow, but this is another species of cow.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hello.
It's just like a dog.